In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Relay account to your Xero account. This was harder than I expected, therefore we get a video. So I'm going to go ahead and go to accounting and then bank accounts. I'm going to say I want to add an account. I'm going to search for Relay. I'll select Relay. And then what I thought would happen is that I would say continue and that it would magically work. And the problem is it doesn't. So now I'm logged into my Relay account, and what I need to do is I need to go to settings on the left-hand side of my screen. Then I have to go to integrations, and then I have to go to Xero and tell it to connect. This isn't necessary when you're connecting to QuickBooks. QuickBooks will just connect it. So here I'm going to say allow access. I can tell Relay what to sync up with Xero, except for I can't choose to unsync the first two things. I can choose to unsync the second two things. So I guess it's good that I planned on connecting everything, although I wish I had more control over it. Control what details get synced over. Let me go ahead and click on this. So yes to the categories, although I don't really know what that's going to be. Yes to the vendors, yes to the categories, vendors. I don't use expenses or bills in my Relay account, but I'm happy to have it sync just in case it's anything useful. So I'm going to say save changes. So supposedly it's now set up to sync. Let me go back to Xero and see if that's really true. So I had to completely log back into Xero. It didn't have the tab across the top of my screen. So it's definitely brought stuff over, and it gave it some goofy names, and these old accounts I haven't used in years and years. So let's see if I can, like, this was for a course I created. Okay, it's brought in a bunch of old stuff. Let me just go ahead and go to accounting and go to chart of accounts and see if we can't get rid of stuff that I do not need or want in here. Stuff that's like literally been turned off for many years. So delete, yep. Delete, okay. So it seems like I can. It surprised me because normally when I've gone to connect an account, I can just connect it from this screen. I didn't have to go to a separate website, get logged into it, find integrations. All of that took some Googling. It wasn't as if I just knew where to go. So this video is to help anybody who gets in the same situation where they cannot figure out how to connect Relay. Or if they have connected Relay, if it's connected stuff they haven't used in years and don't really want to see, I showed you how to delete that stuff. So hopefully this is helpful. Xero is something that I'm relearning. It is not something that I'm going to be teaching. There is somebody else on the team who knows Xero very, very well. So if you ever need help with your Xero bookkeeping, you're welcome to reach out. It won't be me that you work with, but that person, Danny, is amazing and she'll do a great job for you. Okay, thanks. Bye.